Serializing to JSON in jQuery. I need to serialize an object to JSON. I'm using jQuery. Is there a standard way to do this? My specific situation. I have an array defined as shown below. And I need to turn this into a string to pass to Ajax. Like this. JSON.js. JSON in JavaScript. To convert an object to a string, use JSON stringifier. Example. To convert a JSON string to an object, use JSON parse. Example. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.